everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Dollar General and Walmart haul. We actually had to run into the Dollar General for a toothbrush. Connor needed a new toothbrush. The one we were gonna pick up, which is just the basic Colgate brand. This is a blue one. They have these in a bunch of different colors, but he likes the ones that have soft bristles. We're just grabbing this. It was $1, which you change your toothbrushes so often, so it doesn't really matter as long as it's doing what it's supposed to do. You know, you don't have to have an expensive toothbrush. But so originally that was the plan, just to grab one of those basic ones. The packaging to this one's already been thrown away, but we decided to get him one of these. This is the Dollar General brand, and it was $6.50. I believe this might have been on sale, but it's a spin brush. Like, he's had these electric brushes in the past where they only just kind of like vibrate against your teeth, really. But this one actually spins. And he used this last night, and he's in love with it. He absolutely loves this toothbrush, and it has an on and off switch. Packaging says the battery's going to last 3 months. We will see. Connor got new toothbrushes. The dollar deal aisle, I found something super cute. I had to have them. I also actually needed them for my purse, but I love them. They're tissues, but you get 4 in here. These are from the Smart Care brand. These are the ultra soft with lotion tissues. You get 10 tissues, 10 3-ply tissues in each package. So these were $1. Of course, they were in the dollar deals aisle. But look how cute the packaging is on these. I love that. Cute little lemon one. Rainbow print there. But I thought those were super cute. At the Dollar General, for $1 for 4 of these, it is a good deal. But at the DollarTree, you can still pick up 8 packs of these for $1.25. That is the better deal. You know, look at the cute prints. Those are so cute. I love them. And then one of the other reasons why I needed to go into the Dollar General is I needed some nail stuff. It really doesn't matter where I pick this up at, but I needed it, and it actually, this is the better deal than Dollar Tree. I would buy cotton balls at Dollar Tree as well. However, the Dollar General does have them for only $1. So Studio Selection, the jumbo cotton balls, soft and gentle, 100 count, for only $1. Sometimes you can split these in 2 as well. They do have even bigger cotton balls than this, and you definitely can split them into 2 and 3 pieces. Get a lot more out of your money, but they are not $1. These are the dollar ones, and I've been purchasing these for a couple months because it is the better deal than Dollar Tree. I also really needed some of this Onyx professional remover. This is the 100% pure acetone. This was $3.50. I use the acetone not so much on my nails anymore unless I have some stubborn glitters. I use this for stamping plates and to clean my silicone mats and things like that. So I needed some, so I got some. So just for nail item kind of removal stuff and stamping, had to have that. I was almost out, and I don't like being almost out and not have a backup, so now I have backup. And then I also needed, because I'm nursing 2 breaks on my nails right now. So annoying. Especially because I just cut my nails, and they typically don't break when they're shorter, but here we are. Here we are. So I needed a new nail glue. So Kiss Brush On Nail Glue. And this says it bonds and repairs, and it has an ultimate bond. Now, they had 2 different types of these, and I was tempted to try the vitamin E nail glue. It promotes healthy nails, which is fine. I'm sure it works amazing. But what I really need it to do is, this isn't for me to wear false nails. This is for me to repair my nails. So I have a break here and I have a break over here. So, oh, and I do have a look on these. It will be linked in the description and in the cards. Try to paint my elf like Buddy the Elf from Elf. Yeah, nail glue. This was $3. I just needed a new nail glue. So I got all the nail essential things that I needed at the moment at Dollar General. A couple other items from the Dollar Deals aisle. I wanted some floor cleaner, so I picked up the Pine Glow all-purpose cleaner deodorizer in the scent Twisty Apple Berry. This is 40 fluid ounces. And they also had watermelon, which I really wanted to get, but I also wanted something more fitting for winter. So I went with this one. And they also had this in like a lavender, and they also had this in a pine. Oh, $1 for this giant bottle. I'm not broken the seal yet, so still unsure of the scent. And then one of the wishlist items that I was hoping to find, I did find. And this was the Yardley. And these are the naturally inspired 8 on-the-go wipes enriched with aloe vera, chamomile, and vitamin E. You get 8 small little packages of wipes for $1. And these are really good wipes. I've had these in the large version. Not ever in the mini. This is the first time I ever saw them in the mini. And for $1 for 8 of them, you can't beat that. And I need some more wrapping paper. So at the Dollar General, got some gift wrap there. This is 30 square feet for $1. It says Mary, and with like a candy cane lettering. Really cute. Paper also has like little stars on it. I liked this one the best out of all the others. Now for the Walmart portion of this haul. Went into Walmart for a phone card. Came out with a few other items that I needed and that I just found. So very few items. We're just going to start with this one so I can go ahead and put it back. But these candy canes at the registers, $1. It's just Hershey's or however you say that. Little candies, they're red and green. I got this for Connor's stocking. I also picked this up for Connor, but not for his stocking. They had a bunch of these different colored cups like this, like a tumbler with a straw. They were only $1.22, so I grabbed one for him. Now thinking about it, I probably should have grabbed one for myself for iced coffee, but I didn't think about that. I think they had red, green, blue, and possibly a clear one. But yeah, has a straw, has the little stopper so they can't pull the straw out. Twist off lid. Yeah, his favorite color is blue, so picked that up for him. And a couple house items I needed were the, I typically get these at DollarTree and stuff, but the last 2 trips I went to DollarTree, they did not have disinfecting wipes. So these were $2.62 from the Great Value brand disinfecting wipes. They do Code Flu Virus, you know, all the stuff. You get 35 in here for $2.62. I don't think that's the greatest deal I've ever got on disinfecting wipes. In fact, I know that it's not the greatest deal. But I needed them, and yeah, we're just now getting over sickness in the house too, so I have to replenish my stock of disinfectants. So that was one of them. And then I need a dish soap. And you guys already know. It's Palmolive Ultra Strength. Instantly cuts grease, dish liquid, love this stuff. My favorite go-to, and this is the 42 fluid ounce one. This was just under $5, but just a few cents away, so you might as well say $5. Of course, it has the flip top lid. Yeah, it has the 200% grease fighters. I don't know, but this stuff's amazing. If you've not tried it, definitely try it. If you're looking for a new dish soap, it is great. Absolutely love this stuff, and we'll continue to repurchase that. A bag of dog food. I have a picture of that. My husband went shopping, well, Christmas shopping, with his cousin. He can never ever keep gift items from me, so he ended up giving them to me right away. And I just wanted to share them because I love them. So the first one, and he found these at Ollies, and they were both $4.99 each, and they're candles. I love candles, and this one is the pumpkin orange zest. It's a 20-ounce candle, and he knows me very, very well that I love all things fall, all the fall scents, all year round. He knew already, like without a doubt, this is what to get me. He even said that his cousin said, this fresh linen one smells good, and he was like, no, it's not her. Because it's not. But it smells so very strong in the jar, and it smells just like pumpkin and orange. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. So thankful that he knows me so well. And then the next one he picked me up is the Holiday Spiced Plum. And look at the adorable packaging. This is so cute. I love candles. And this one's a very, very fun. Looks very, or it looks more expensive than what you pay for it. This one's a 3-wick candle, and this smells so sweet, but yet fall at the same time. It is the strangest scent combination, but it smells absolutely delicious. It does. It smells like a plum dessert, a very sweet dessert with like a dash of cinnamon. It's hard to explain, but this smells amazing. Love everything about this one as well. He also said that was his favorite as well. But I just wanted to share those candles. I hope that you enjoyed today's haul. I thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. And stay tuned for more videos like these, and thank you so very much for watching.